Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Hayward TigerShark QC Robotic Pool Cleaner, model W3RC9990CUB. I've looked through the internet, checked owner feedback, pool maintenance discussions, and long-term user experiences, and I'm going to help you decide whether this robotic cleaner is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The first thing that stands out is the quick clean feature. Most robotic pool cleaners require several hours to complete a cycle, but the TigerShark QC offers a dedicated 90-minute cleaning mode for situations where you need the pool looking presentable fast. Whether you're preparing for guests, a weekend gathering, or just want a quick cleanup after a windy day, this feature adds a level of convenience that many pool owners appreciate. Another major advantage is its onboard pump system. Unlike traditional cleaners that rely heavily on the pool's circulation equipment, the TigerShark operates independently. This means it actively captures dirt, leaves, sand, and other debris without placing additional strain on your filtration system. In real-world use, many pool owners find this results in more efficient cleaning while helping reduce wear on the main pool equipment. Cleaning performance is one of the strongest aspects of this unit. The robot systematically moves around the pool floor and walls, collecting debris that would otherwise require manual vacuuming. For everyday maintenance, this can save hours of work over the course of a swimming season. Instead of spending weekends cleaning, users can simply place the robot in the water, start the cycle, and let it do the work. The energy efficiency is another appealing feature. The 24-volt motor consumes significantly less power than many traditional pool cleaning methods. Since pool ownership already comes with ongoing operating costs, having a cleaner that keeps electricity usage relatively low is a practical benefit over time. One of the biggest selling points for many buyers is the simple installation process. There are no complicated booster pumps, extra plumbing modifications, or long hose systems to manage. You simply place the cleaner in the pool, connect the power supply, and start the cleaning cycle. This straightforward setup makes it accessible even for first-time robotic pool cleaner owners. Maintenance is also relatively simple. Once a cleaning cycle is complete, the filter cartridge can be removed and rinsed with a garden hose. Compared to cleaning traditional skimmer baskets or dealing with complicated filtration components, this process is quick and easy. For many owners, the convenience factor becomes one of the biggest reasons they continue using robotic cleaners. The build quality is generally solid as well. Hayward has been a recognized name in pool equipment for many years, and the TigerShark line has established a reputation for dependable cleaning performance. Many long-term owners highlight the effectiveness of the cleaning system and the reduction in manual pool maintenance. Of course, there are some considerations before buying. The TigerShark QC is not the newest robotic cleaner on the market, and some newer competitors offer advanced features like smartphone app control, Wi-Fi connectivity, detail mapping, and scheduling functions. If having the latest smart technology is important to you, there are more modern alternatives available. Another point is that robotic pool cleaners represent a higher upfront investment compared to manual vacuums or basic suction side cleaners. However, many owners find the time savings and improved cleaning performance justify the cost over the long term. After reviewing the specifications, owner experiences, and overall cleaning capabilities, my conclusion is pretty clear. The Hayward TigerShark QC remains a highly capable robotic pool cleaner that focuses on strong cleaning performance, simplicity, and reliability rather than flashy smart features. So should you buy it? If you own an in-ground pool up to 20 by 40 feet and want a dependable robotic cleaner that could dramatically reduce manual maintenance while delivering thorough cleaning performance, then yes, this is absolutely worth considering. Its quick clean mode, independent operation, energy efficiency, and straightforward maintenance make it a practical and effective solution for keeping your pool clean throughout the season. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and buying guides. I'll see you in the next one.